Best practices for designing a functional kitchen. A well-designed kitchen is both beautiful and functional. Homestyler allows you to plan every inch of your kitchen layout with precision, helping you create a space that works as well as it looks. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the key principles of kitchen design. Start with the kitchen work triangle, the relationship between the sink, stove, and refrigerator. You want these 3 points to form an efficient layout with minimal movement required. Homestyler helps you place these elements easily and adjust distances to meet ergonomic guidelines. Use cabinets and countertops from Homestylers library to test storage and surface placement. You can adjust cabinet height, appliance spacing, and include kitchen islands for more prep area. Don't forget ventilation and lighting. Use task lights above, countertops and natural light where possible. Think about flow. How will people move through the kitchen? Can 2 people cook together without bumping into each other? Use Homestyler's 3D walkthrough mode to simulate daily. Use and catch issues before they happen. And of course, style matters. You can experiment with textures, colors, and finishes, like pairing dog. Cabinets with light countertops or mixing wood and metal. To try these techniques yourself, click the link in the description and start designing in Homestyler. It's intuitive, fast, and perfect for creating kitchens that function and shine.